Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create Linux VM with SSH public key by using generate new key pair in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on virtual machines, then click on create and click on virtual machine. Here in resource group, click on drop down menu and choose your resource group. In virtual machine name, give any meaningful name. In region, you can choose any region. I am going with default region. In image, you can click on drop down menu and choose any image. For example, I am choosing Ubuntu server 20.04, and here in authentication type, choose SSH public key. In username, you can choose any username, as I am giving name my admin. In SSH public key source, click on drop down menu. Here we have different kind of key sources. We are going with generate new key pair. In key pair name, you can set any name for your key pair. I am going with default name. Then click on next. In disks, we do not need to add any additional disk. Click next. Default networking is good for our testing purpose. Click next. We do not need to add any management settings. Click next. We are not adding any additional data. Click next. Here in tags, in name type name, in value type any meaningful name, then click next. As you can see, our validation passed successfully. Now click on create. Now here we need to download this key pair to connect with our Linux server. Click on download private key. As you can see, our key pair is downloaded successfully. Now click on return to create a virtual machine. As you can see, our deployment is in progress. Here it will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, our deployment is completed successfully. Now click on go to resource. Now we want to access this server. For this, click on connect. Here we have an option of SSH. Click on it. Here you can see we have couple of options. You can go with PuTTY or any other client application, and here we need to grant read-only permission to our key pair by using this command. As most of us uses Windows environment, these are basically Linux commands, so we need to download git bash and install it. I am already downloaded and installed the git bash. Click on git bash. Now here first of all we need to go to downloads because our key pair is downloaded in downloads folder. For this, type cd space downloads and hit enter. If I type ls and hit enter, here you can see we have our key pair with the name of my test -linuxvm_key.pen. We need to grant permission by using chmod 400 and type the key pair name, which is my test-linuxvm_key.pen, and hit enter. As you can see, our command is successfully executed. Now we need to connect with our Linux machine. For this, type ssh space -i space key pair name, which is my test-linuxvm_key.pen space username for our Linux VM, which is my admin. Then type @ and give the public IP address of our virtual machine. Then hit enter. Here it will asking we really want to connect with our server. Press Y and hit enter. Type yes and hit enter. As you can see, now we have connected with our Linux virtual machine. If I type host name and hit enter, here you can see the name of our virtual machine. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.